Hi everyone, it's Angela from Cloudfetti, and today, drumroll, I'm sharing that I've opened up an online store to sell my charms in. So this is my very first shop update for the grand opening, so I thought I would show what I made. So to start out, I made some ice cream sandwiches, and they are the 3 flavoured Neapolitan types. So they each have chocolate, vanilla and strawberry for the ice cream part. And on the tops, you can choose from either the vanilla wafer type, which looks like this, or the chocolate biscuit one, and that looks like this. I glazed them with some UV resin and stuck on some lobster clasps to hang them as keychains. So with these, I have 3 of each sandwich. Then I have some quartz effect stars. They're really shimmery and they come in yellow, blue and pink, or citrine, ice and rose. They're also glazed with UV resin and they have the lobster clasp as well, and they're all flat on the back. So with these, I have 5 pink ones, 4 blue and 4 yellow. I actually have an odd number because one of each yellow and blue didn't turn out how I'd hoped. I'm not really sure if you can see, but they turned out a little bit wonky with a long arm. So I thought I would still offer them, but as a second grade product with a discount. I also made something a little bit different, so I have some stickers that I drew and cut out with my sticker machine. This design is of the little double scoop ice cream cone figurine that I made out of polymer clay. I really liked the colours together, so I decided to draw it and offer it as a little something so that you can decorate your books or laptops or whatever you feel like. They're made of vinyl and I cut the edge so that it's really easy to peel. I have a lot of these and I plan to have them available all the time in the store because they're easy to print and cut out. I do have some seconds of these as well because I accidentally ripped some of the backing sheets when I was taking it off the cutting mat. The front is perfectly fine, but I don't really want to sell them if the back doesn't look good as well, so these will be discounted too. So now I also made some silicone molds. I've been making and experimenting with these since probably a couple of years ago now, I think, and I finally got them to where I'm really happy with them. And I even made my own custom colour to match the Cloudfetti branding. So this is of a 14mm or 1/2 inch cupcake base. It's made of soft yet durable silicone, so if you wanted to make your own little cupcake charms, you can make it with this. And I made a whole bunch of these, so there's a lot to go around. And that's pretty much all I have for my very first shop update. I hope that you guys like the products that I have to offer, and I really look forward to packaging your orders and working on some more things to put in the online store. Be sure to check it out here, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!